Hi friends, Elder here, and Leticia to my side. Today we want to show you how to fix the power window switches at Toyota Sienna. Okay, this is the switches that we want to replace. All switches work except this one. If I try to close the window, I can't do it because it's broken. You can see, and there is no window here, so the window doesn't go up. I bought the switches. The price is $245 including taxes. It's expensive. Here's the new switch that we're gonna replace. It goes this way. What we need is a screwdriver star. In here, there is this screw here, and we're gonna remove it. Okay, let's remove the screw. Okay, I already removed it. Now we want to lift this part here, and this piece should go out. I already removed the piece. Alright, now we want to remove this screw, this one over here, and this one here. Okay, so this one is all out. I just remove the whole part out. I want to take out this plug and put a new part. Let's put the plug back. I want to put it in. Okay, alright. Okay, now we want to try if it's working or not. There it goes, friends. So it's fixed. Now I want to put the whole part back, friends. As you can see, I put it back properly, so everything's working good. And here's the glass. Also, you can buy this power switch in eBay or Amazon in very good price. Friends, I hope you like the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.